Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. Today we're going to learn about how to make a strawberry cake, and here are my ingredients. We have the caster sugar, the butter, fresh blend strawberries, eggs, milk, sour cream, baking powder, baking soda and flour. So we are going to start mixing our butter and caster sugar. I normally beat the two ingredients first so that air can get in and so that it can become more fluffy. As you can see now, our butter is fluffy and good to go. So now it's time to add in our eggs. So now our eggs are ready. We have beaten in well. And always add one egg at a time for better results. So now it's time to add in the dry ingredients, the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and just mix them in well. After mixing them in well, I use a separate bowl and a sieve. The reason as to why I'm doing this is just to give the flour some air and make it a little lighter. So now our flour is ready. So it's time to beat in the flour and some of the wet ingredients. I'll start with the sour cream, adding it gradually. So the sour cream is another name of natural yogurt or any kind of yogurt. And I'm scraping everything in the bowl so that the bottom part can mix well with the top part. So let's add the second batch of our flour. So in this second batch, I'm going to add the blended strawberries. The reason as to why I added in blended strawberries instead of the pink color than the strawberries is that the blended strawberries normally give the cake a very good color, a very nice pink color, a natural pink color. Adding in our last batch of the wet ingredient. That's the milk. So the thing with naturally blended strawberries is that they give the butter a really rustic look. I don't know if the camera can capture this, but as you can see, it has some freckles and the smell is quite heavenly. And even when you taste the butter, wow, that's really good. And you see the rustic look that we see in the butter. In the end result, as we cut the cake, the freckles will still be seen. So I think our butter is now ready. You can see it has the right consistency now. It has a nice pink color, a very light pink color. So now it's time to put our butter into the cake tins. And first, before you put the butter in the tin, always make sure that you have greased your tin and dusted it with flour. Since my pastry brush is no more, I'm still going to use my hand. And as long as your hands are super clean, you can just use them to oil the tins. And now, let's just dust it a little. Make sure every corner of the tin is dusted. So now our tins are well dusted and oiled. So normally I separate the butter into two so that I can have two layers of the cake and so that my cake can have a nice built up body. So to remove the air bubbles inside the cake batter, always make sure that your cakes have a flat top part before putting it in the oven. So now it's time to put our cakes in the oven. So guys, I had already preheated my oven before I started mixing in the batter. I preheated it at 180 degrees and I cooked the cake for, let's say, 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your oven. So let's set the time. So I set it at 50 minutes. Let's wait for the cakes to bake. Our cakes are now ready. See, the skewer is coming out super clean and they've already detached from the tins, meaning they're ready. See you on the next step. Hi guys, welcome back to our second part of the video, and it's now time to decorate our cake. So I'm going to use whipped cream, strawberries, my 2 piping bags and nozzles, my 2 cakes, and as you can see, one of the cakes is not in a good condition. This is because I wasn't so patient to wait for it to cool down, but not to worry, we're going to work on it as it is. So I'm going to put in the whipped cream so that it can start beating. So we're going to start beating our whipped cream. So now our whipped cream is ready. See, it has the sharp peaks and it's firm. So today I have a cake base instead of the glass plate. So let's begin. So we'll start with our first cake. So I'm just going to slice off the top parts. The reason as to why I'm cutting off the top part is because I don't like the dark part of the cake being shown inside, and also so that the cake can have a nice level. Now our cake is perfectly leveled. Remember the freckles I told you that are going to be visible. Don't know whether the camera can capture them, but you can see the cake has little freckles. So I'm going to add the whipped cream in the piping bag and put it in the middle layer of the cake and add in these chopped strawberries, simply because I like my fruit cakes really rich in fruits, and also adding them in the middle layer of the cake gives the cake a really nice body to work with. And now that we have covered up our cake, it's time for a little touch up. Now going on to the top, I want to add a rose full of strawberries. So here is our strawberry cake. Time to taste our cake. Wow, the cake is super moist, almost like you're having this strawberry milkshake explosion in your mouth. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, bye!